Hi everybody, welcome back to Sparks Fire and Baling Wire. Got these center hubs painted up for the tractor. Today I'm going to work on the rims. It's pretty tedious work. It'd be nice if the tires were off the rims, but I'm not going to wrestle around with these big tires just for the sake of painting these rims. I'm going to get them all masked up and ready to paint. And only go a couple inches at a time with the tape, keep the curvature of the rim so it covers. Yeah, I couldn't put it off any longer. I finally got the wheels all masked off, ready to paint. I know you're not supposed to use newspaper for masking, but I'm cheap. What can I say? I've never had any problem with it. I'm not going to film the painting because if anybody watched my John Deere restoration videos, I still haven't got the green paint off my camera for that. So I get these painted up, we'll be back. There they are, the fresh coat of paint on. Wheels are all painted up. I hope they turn out because this masking is not a job I want to do again. Alright, very happy with how they turned out. I'm ready to scratch them all up again trying to mount the tires. Tires finally came. Two new tires, two tubes. I don't know if this will help with rim scratching or not. Give it a shot. Tires sprayed down good with soap water. See if they'll go on there. One side on. Now for the fun part. Try and get that tube in there. I'll see if we can get the other side on without pinching the tube. But my valve stem's grabbing too long there so I don't lose that back in the rim. one mounted up and I only see a couple small spots I got to touch up. Good luck on that one. Try for number 2. Okay, both tires mounted. This is supposed to be the part where I lie to you and tell you how great this Harbor Freight tire mounting deal is. In reality, this tool they supply with it is complete garbage. That end is too big around to work. This end that's supposed to catch and just goes on, just slides right off. Instead, you wind up using the old pry bar, since I don't have a set of tire spoons which have nice sharp 2 pinchers on them. So then you need to go back and buy a new tube since you ruined a brand new one. It is nice for holding the rim though. I can't say that much about it. So you're not wrestling around with that too. So there we have it. 4 tires, just waiting for a tractor to put them on. That's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching, everybody. I want to thank all my new subscribers that I got. And the other day I noticed a glitch in the YouTube system. I don't know what it is, but I will have comments show up in my notification. But if I look down the squawk box below on the video itself, they don't show up. And when I try to reply to those that show up in my notification, it won't let me do it. So what I'm getting at is, if you guys watch my videos and take the time to leave a comment, I owe it to you to reply to those comments. And I do that diligently. So if you left a comment and did not receive a reply from me, it's not due to lack of effort. That's the reason why. Thanks again. Stay tuned for the next video.